Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. We're going to be talking about today's severe weather, and we're going to be talking about our severe weather forecast this upcoming week too. We're going to get started everyone. So this is our severe weather forecast for today. We can see we got a slight risk of severe weather in Texas. Oklahoma, we got a marginal risk. At Kansas, we got a marginal risk of severe weather. Texas, Louisiana. Then we got a marginal risk of severe weather in Minnesota. Wisconsin, we can see also on here, guys. Then we got a marginal risk of severe weather in Idaho, Montana, up in Wyoming. We can see also in Utah. We can see on here also, guys. So then we got our typical thunderstorm risk in Michigan, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio. We can see also on here, guys, in California. So let's move on. Our tornado risk is going to be a 2% tornado risk today for Kansas, Oklahoma, and Texas. We can see. Then we got our black hatched in the 2% in Minnesota. Wisconsin, we can see also on here, guys. So, yeah. Uh, then our wind risk is our main wind dread is going to be in Texas today with 15% wind dread. For Texas, we can see. Then we got our 5% wind dread for Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas, even Montana. We can see also on here, guys. So yeah, and even Minnesota, Wisconsin, we can see on here, guys. Also for today. So let's look. Let's look at our hail risk. And we got a 15% significant hail risk for Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas. We can see also a 15% hail risk. Then we got a 5% hail risk for that area too. Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas. 5% hail risk for Minnesota, Wisconsin too. We can see also on here, guys. So yeah. We already looked at the tornado risk. Sorry, guys. So let's look at tomorrow's severe weather outlook. This is tomorrow's severe weather outlook. We can see for Monday, we got a slight risk of severe weather for Minnesota, Wisconsin, Iowa, Illinois. We can see also Texas, Oklahoma. We can see a marginal risk for Oklahoma, Texas. We can see. Then we got our typical thunderstorm risk in Ohio. We can see also on here, guys. Kentucky, Tennessee, marginal risk for Michigan. Then we got a slight risk for Minnesota, Wisconsin, Iowa, and a little bit Illinois. We can see also on here, guys. So got to keep looking at that. Typical thunderstorm risk in North Dakota, Montana, Wyoming, Colorado, Utah, Nevada, Ohio, Arkansas, Texas, PA, and New York. We can see also. All right, so let's look at our tornado risk for today, for tomorrow. So we can see also we got a 5% tornado risk for a little Wisconsin tomorrow, in Minnesota, and Iowa. We can see. Then we got a 2% tornado risk for little Minnesota, Wisconsin, Iowa, and Illinois. Then we got a 2% risk in Texas and Oklahoma. We can see also. All right, then we got our hail risk for Monday, April 13th. We can see we got a 15% hail risk for Minnesota, Wisconsin. Then we got our hail risk for Michigan, a 5% in Illinois, Indiana, Iowa, Minnesota, Wisconsin. Then we can see also on here, guys, we got a 15% wind risk for Texas and Oklahoma. We can see on here, guys, for tomorrow also, and a 5% hail risk for Oklahoma and Texas. We can see also. All right, All right, this is our wind risk for tomorrow. We can see we got a 15% wind risk in Minnesota, Wisconsin. Then we got a 5% wind risk for Michigan, Illinois, Indiana, Iowa, Minnesota. Then we got a wind risk for Oklahoma, 5% and a 15% Oklahoma and Texas. All right, so let's move on to our day 3 outlook. This is what our day 3 outlook looks like. We got a slight chance of severe weather all the way from down to Texas, all the way up to Ohio. We can see western Ohio. Got a slight risk of severe weather in Michigan, Illinois, Indiana, Illinois, Iowa, Missouri, Kansas, Oklahoma, even Texas. Then we got a marginal risk of severe weather in Ohio, PA, New York. We can see in even some of the New England states, we got typical thunderstorm risk up there. Then we got a marginal risk in Iowa, Oklahoma. We can see also. Then we're pretty much it for that thing. All right, so let's move on to our day 4. This is what our day 4 looks like for Wednesday. We can see a 15% probability for severe weather in Wisconsin, Iowa, Illinois, Missouri, Oklahoma, Arkansas, even Texas. We can see also in Kansas. We can see on here also. There's no day 5, but I saw there was a day 6 severe weather probability outlook for Friday, April 17th. We can see in Iowa, Missouri, We can see Kansas. We can see a 15% probability outlook for Severe Weather in Oklahoma. We can see also, guys. So, yeah, that's pretty much it for the severe weather outlooks for today. So, let's look at some radar projections and things real quick. So, let's go to that. All right, everyone. So we get Sunday at 11 a.m. We can see this is our radar projection for today. We can see we have some rain in Kansas and Oklahoma and Texas. We can see. Then we get some snow in California. We can see also we got some rain in Wisconsin and Michigan. We can see on here also. Then we get some rain in North Dakota, rain in Minnesota. We can see also on here, guys. So yeah, then we get some snow in Idaho, in Oregon potentially too. Maybe some freezing rain in Idaho too. We can have also. We can see on there. So yeah. All right. Today at 2 p.m. we can see Sunday, April 12th at 2 p.m. We can have maybe some storms in Kansas, Missouri, Oklahoma, even Texas today. Maybe also. We can see also. Then we got some rain in Michigan, Wisconsin, Minnesota, some snow in the Nevada mountains. We can see also on here for Sunday, April 12th at 2 p.m. We can see also on here, guys. Then we got our rain in North Dakota, Minnesota. We can see on here also, guys. So yeah. Let's move on. All right, Sunday, April 12th at 5 p.m. We have a line of storms in Missouri, Oklahoma, Texas. We can see also on here, guys. Iowa, we could have some storms. Illinois, we could have some rain. Rain in Wisconsin. Rain in Michigan, we can have also on here, guys. We can see rain in PA, New York. We can see also rain in North Carolina, maybe potentially some snow in Nevada, some snow in Utah, some snow in Idaho. We can see also on here, guys. Get some rain in Washington, Oregon. We can see some snow in California. Some rain in Texas. Maybe we can see some storms. Also some rain up in Wisconsin. Some rain up in Michigan. We can see also on here, guys. And some rain in Minnesota too. We can see also. So yeah. All right. Sunday, April 12th at 8 p.m. We got storms in Texas. We can see storms in Kansas, Arkansas. We can see also on here, guys. Then we got some snow in Nevada and the Utah mountains. We can see also for today. Then we got some rain in Michigan, some storms in Texas. We can see in Missouri and Iowa and Illinois. We can have today at 8 p.m. We can see. Then we got some rain in North Carolina. Maybe we can see some snow. Maybe in the state of New York, we can have some mixing rain and freezing rain and snow. Maybe also some rain in New England states. We can see also on here. So yeah. Hold on. Sunday, April 12th at 11 p.m. Okay. All right, we got Sunday, April 12th at 11 p.m. We can see also on here, guys. So we got storms in Texas, storms in Arkansas, storms in Missouri, potentially Illinois today, and maybe Wisconsin too. And we got some snow in California and Idaho. We can see also in Montana and Wyoming. We can see also. Then we got some rain in New York and some snow in the New England states. We can see on here, guys. So yeah. Hold on. All right, so let's move on to Monday at 2 a.m. There are storms that pretty much died down at this point. We can see on here. We got this more rain in places like Michigan, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio. We can see also some snow in Idaho, some snow in Wyoming, maybe Colorado a little too. We can have for on Monday, April 13th at 2 a.m. We can see snow in California, snow in the Nevada mountains. We can see also, yeah, guys. All right, so Monday, April 13th at 5 a.m. we can see we got rain in Michigan. We got rain in Ohio. We can see also on here. Got rain in Illinois, Indiana. We can see also on here, guys. So, all right, we got Monday, April 13th at 5 a.m. We can see we got rain in Ohio, rain in Michigan potentially too. Rain in Illinois, Indiana. We can see also rain in the New England states, freezing rain in Maine, snow in Idaho, snow in Oregon, snow in Montana and rain. Rain in Wyoming, rain in Utah. No, snow in Utah. I'm sorry. Rain and snow maybe potentially in Utah. We can have a mixture of rain and snow. In California, we got some snow too. Then we can see some leftover rain in Texas. We can see also. All right, Monday, April 13th at 8 a.m. Then we can see by Monday, April 13th at 2 p.m. we got some more storms forming. We can see in Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Louisiana. We can see Ohio. We got some scattered rain. Indiana, Illinois, some snow in North Dakota, some snow in Idaho, some freezing rain in Washington. We can see also some rain in Oregon, some snow in Idaho, some rain in Montana, some rain in Colorado. No, some rain maybe and snow and potentially in Colorado that could be mixing. Also, we can see on here we get some rain in New England states too. Monday, April 13th at 5 p.m. We can see we had storms in Arkansas, Texas. Get some rain in Ohio, maybe potentially too. Got some storms. We got rain maybe up in North and South Dakota, Minnesota. We can see also on here, guys. So, got some rain in Maine also. We can see some snow in Colorado, Utah, Nevada, even California in the mountains. We can see also on here, guys. So, yeah. Then 8 p.m. on Monday, we get storms in Arkansas, Louisiana. We can see Missouri. We can see also on here. Then we get some rain up in Minnesota. We can see on here, guys. Also, some rain up in New York, Maine. We can see some rain in PA. Also, some rain in Arizona, New Mexico. We can see also some snow in California, some snow in Nevada, some snow in Washington, Oregon, and Idaho, Montana, and Wyoming. We can see. All right, by Monday, April 13th at 11 p.m., we can see we get storms in Arkansas, Texas, Missouri. We can see Indiana, Illinois, Ohio. We can see also on here some rain in Minnesota, Wisconsin, some rain in New York, some rain in Maine too. We can see some snow in Colorado, Utah, Nevada. We can see California. We can see on here also for Monday at 11 p.m. Then by 2 a.m. on Tuesday, we get some rain in Wisconsin, Minnesota, Ohio. We got some rain also. We can have potentially some snow in Colorado, in the Utah mountains, and Nevada mountains, and Colorado mountains. We can see some rain and snow mixture up in North Dakota. We can have also on here, guys. We get some rain up in New York, the New England states. We can see also on here. So yeah. All right. So let's move on. Tuesday at 5 a.m. We got rain showers in Iowa. We can see Wisconsin. We got rain. Michigan. We got rain. We can see, but then we could have maybe some heavier snow in North Dakota potentially. We can see also on here, guys. Some snow in Colorado, Utah, the Nevada mountains. Rain in Texas. We can see also on here, guys. We got rain in the New England states. We can see also, and maybe some potential rain in Texas. We can see also. All right, by Tuesday at 8 a.m. we can see we got rain in Michigan, rain in Illinois, rain maybe almost a little looks like close to Indiana, but it could maybe enter Indiana potentially. Some snow in North Dakota, rain in Wisconsin, rain in Michigan Peninsula. We can see rain in Ohio. We can see snow in Utah, Colorado, Arizona. We can see also. All right, Tuesday at 11 a.m. we got snow in the Colorado Mountains, snow in North Dakota. Rain in Texas, we can see also on here. Rain in Illinois, Indiana, we can see also. You can see for this. So then we got a low pressure system in Kansas, we can see also for Tuesday at 11 a.m. All right, Tuesday at 2 p.m. we got storms starting to form again in places like Texas, Arkansas, even in Louisiana. We can see too. We got storms forming. Snow in Colorado, we can see. Rain in Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, we can see also. And we look so we got some freezing rain up in Canada. We can see also for this, guys. We get some snow in Utah, Colorado, New Mexico, Arizona, maybe a little. All right, 5 p.m. On Tuesday, we have storms in Illinois, Indiana, we can see. Storms in Texas, too. Storms in Oklahoma, storms in Nebraska, South Dakota, Minnesota. We can see also some snow in Washington. We got some rain in Oregon, maybe some snow in Idaho, some snow in Montana. We can see for Tuesday at 5 p.m. and rain in New York. Then we got some scattered storms in Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, in Texas, and Iowa. We can see. By 8 p.m. on Tuesday, we got a line of storms in Oklahoma and Texas. And we got some storms in Ohio Valley, Illinois, Indiana, Iowa. We can see for Tuesday, April 14th at 8 p.m. we can see rain in New York. We got to also some snow in the Colorado mountains. We can see also on here, guys. So yeah. Tuesday at 11 p.m. we got some rain in Oklahoma, storms in Missouri, and storms maybe in Indiana, Ohio. We can see also for that, and maybe rain up the New England states, and some snow in in the Colorado mountains, and Washington and Idaho. Maybe we could have some snow. Then by 2 a.m. looks like all the storms are starting to die down on Wednesday. We can see by also on here. Looks like we got lighter storms now, maybe just more like rain also in a lot of spots like Wisconsin, Indiana, Michigan. We can see also. Then we got maybe rain in the New England states. We can see also. So yeah, guys. So I'm gonna be wrapping up the video here, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Hope you learned something new today. Thank you for watching. I see you guys in the next one. Make sure to subscribe and notification bell. You never miss a video like this, guys. Okay, guys. See you guys in the next video.